So hello and welcome back into my channel. So today in this video we are going to unbox a Pigeon Brio Plus Induction Cooktop. So let's get started into this video. Slow cook, manual and various other options are available. This is a Brio Plus. Let's see what is inside this box. So this one will be very much helpful for you if you are staying in a hostel room. For a protection purpose, the thermocol and this plastic cover is and it is not taking too much time, so you can give any mock cup which is steel. So that's all for our today's video. You can go into my video description and buy this product. I'll put all the information link in my video description.